What's your pronouns? That ass is fine.
All right, let's go right there, like right on the edge. So Garrin didn't build a bike with us today, but she has a sick ass bike and she's gonna tell you all about it.
Hey, my name is Garrin Evans, and this is my Specialized Sirrus Mixtape conversion. I've got a Wide Industries Eno hub on there, so I can run it fixed, single speed, on a geared frame. Carbon fork, carbon bars, carbon stem, seat, carbon wheels even, from Roval that I custom built up. Running 165 Campy record cranks. What else? 700 by 38C Specialized Tracer Pro tires with tubes, Crate Brother pedals. I think that's about it.
First step through tracklocross bike ever. Sick.
Did you?
Yeah.
He's fucking with you. But yeah, what are the spokes and nipples?
There's like 20 something spokes.
Chain, you didn't say chain.
Oh, chain? Yeah, I got a KMC X101. The only chain I run. Some cool...
Oh, you forgot. The one thing you actually do need to redo is you didn't tell me about your tool this time.
Oh, fuck. Just do a...
Yeah, boop.
I always like to carry tools and such with me. Hint the SWAT Bandit from Specialized that holds tube, CO2, tire lever, and head. But then also to take my wheels off, I have this nifty little SWAT tool that I kind of customized to go on the kickstand mount. So I always have the tool there kind of hidden instead of behind like the water bottle cage or just like in a back pocket. So one kind of thing I'm pretty proud about on the bike itself.
Legit.
Shane?
Track stand to stair ride. Yo, that was so sick.